more about Lucky One. Tell our viewers a little bit about what it does.
It's a consumer-led credit business. It's a fintech platform that serves basically the underbanked population. Egypt's underbanked population is more than 90%, which is basically more than 90 million of the population. That's a large gap, basically, in the financial sector in Egypt that we're trying to tackle. So in order to do that, we need to tackle different things. Part of that is basically tackling the credit underwriting, which actually needs like a new credit bureau to be created. And in order to do that, we decided to start with a marketplace where we can start actually accumulating more data, understanding more about our consumers, and accordingly start basically approving customers instantly. So this is what we've done 6 years ago, kicking off a marketplace, savings for cashbacks and discounts. And 3 years later, we were able basically to start issuing payment rails, which takes us to a credit product, basically underwriting customers and approving credit on the spot.
Talk to me about how Lucky One goes about empowering its customers through its credit products, its cashback rewards, as well as other discounts.
The ecosystem actually works between merchants and consumers, and the way it works basically that you need to onboard merchants and show them the benefit of being on such a platform, a discounts and cashbacks platform at the very beginning. The good thing about that Lucky came in as a spin-off from our first business, which is D-Squares. It's an enterprise loyalty business that have been there in the market for 12 years, still operating one of the leading, if not the leading, loyalty provider in the Middle East and Africa. So we had this leverage on the merchants that we managed actually to bring them on board faster than normal. And with that was more of our acquisition channel. So bringing customers to the platform to get freebies, so discounts, cashbacks, and then you start issuing cards as a payment rail. On top of that, you start actually providing credit. That still requires some licensing, working with the regulators and so on in each of the local markets. And this is what we have done in the later 3 years.
And how has Endeavor supported you along your journey?
Endeavor is actually in emerging markets, specifically in Egypt. That's one of the biggest, largest offices of Endeavor globally. It has been with us in the journey since the beginning. 2018, we joined as Endeavor entrepreneurs. I joined the board of Endeavor Egypt a couple of years back, opened 3 out of the 8 markets of our first company, the B2B, through Endeavor support in Africa, Middle East. So Endeavor offices, actually facilitating access to business, incorporation, and many other mentors. Also, the Endeavor Catalyst Fund actually came into Lucky One as an anchor investor, which is really something big in the Middle East. Then actually the whole Endeavorized experience started to roll out. So we're LPs in Endeavor. We're very much engaged, actually, still supporting on all levels.
Well, thank you so much for joining me today on Taking
Thank you.
Stock.
Thank you very much.